How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where we try to catch precise tops and bottoms in the stock market. I want to talk about ticker Muln. I love this ticker for the strategy I'm about to disclose. It's been wonderful, it worked very well, and I want to share you guys. And if you wait till the end, I have I have a Discord for you all to join if you guys really like the strat, and I'll post that. But let me show you the strat, and we'll get to that. Okay. So everyone wants to know because there's a lot of retail into this one. This one caught a lot of attention, a lot of eyes, um, a lot of hype due from the management telling a lot of stuff. So I can see why. So basically, what you want to know with this strat is we have the three lines, and these are your Keltner channels, and I customized it to work with pretty much any stock in the market. Obviously, there is some stocks that are harder, and there's no perfect solution to anything. But let me show you how this goes. So you go to the daily time frame, and I've talked about this one a good bit because it honestly made me the most for the penny stock areas. But as you can see, when the price gets to the green band, you start looking to buy. When the price gets to the red, you start looking to sell. The best signal was right in this area right here. You had a multiple 8 days in a row, big 8 days in a row, and then you get this big green candle right here. So right when the price gets under here, we get a big flush of buying power and get a nice little gain. And then what you want to realize with this strat is I do like to take the profit when I see it. Um, if it's a good gain like this, like you accumulate all these and then you get massive like 20 to 30% gain, I take it because then it could do what it did right here. It goes and hits that bottom band again, and you get another buy signal. So it hits this, goes down. I would now average in here. I would wait till it gets back under the band. Always average when it gets back in the band. So when it hits this slightly, you can start accumulating. If it keeps going lower, like this little thing, you just keep accumulating. And then bam, the next day you get another 25 at the high, another 30% gain, and then the price goes down and it does it again. But here's the good thing. This was the big move. These are little moves compared to what the big move is coming. Keep in mind that price always will hit this blue band. Well, guess what? The last time it hit it was way back in here. So you have all these days, and then finally it hits it there. So when the price takes from all the way over here, 502 to 705, that is a long distance. So when it hits the band, it did 100%. Over this, I think, yeah, this was a over 100% move. Man, that was massive move. Yeah, that was a big move right there. And so then the price hits it and it acts as resistance. It can do two things. It can hit it and go up, go down, or actually three, stay consolidating in the band. But it's going to make a direction. So right now price goes down, it kind of consolidates in the middle, it hits it, but none of these are trades. I repeat, none of these are trades. You only trade when the price hits the band. So this one I did take. I know it didn't meet my certain criteria, but I just felt good about it. There's other things I look for, but it just felt good, and then it gives you a nice big gain. I was prepared to average a lot down if it get lower. Yeah, and those are all the trades, and then you get one more in here, and then it gives you a nice big candle there. So now we're at the point of we're in the middle. We're in this. You see this little area, just consolidation. This is a no trade zone. If it goes back down to here, you can take another, shares, and then bam, it gives you another big move probably. This gives you religiously that 20 to 30% move areas. It's pretty nice. And then when it gets to the blue band is when it's the big move. All right, so that's how that works. Obviously, I do have RSI and KDJ. RSI means nothing for reversals. It can go as low as it wants. It's just honestly just nice to see it here and there. Because if I see like an RSI of like under 10, then I'm like, oh wow, that's pretty impressive. I use the KDJ a lot. Lower the K on the KDJ. Like you can see right here was 4.01, which is why I took this one, even though it wasn't quite under. 4.01 on a K on the KDJ is extremely low, and it's like a rubber band effect. It's bound to pull up and then refresh that. That's all it is. It's going to refresh it. So once I see that, I was like, okay, I'm gonna take that. Yeah, there's a lot of criteria I look for. I do a lot of research, finding these kind of plays. A lot of it is patience. A lot of people see like, wow, look at all these candles down. I'm just gonna keep randomly buying and averaging down. You don't want to average down. You don't want to be a bag holder. You want to know exactly where price is going and where price can lead to. If I'm buying down in here, I know price can go up to the 37 cents and it's at 22 down here. So to me, the probabilities of winning and there's a good range that it can go to. Yes, price can keep going down lower and lower, but at least you know you have a big buy signal that price will jump very rapidly at those levels. As you can see right in here, this was a big, massive candle. All right, so after looking at all that, yeah, we got all this. I love it. This one has been very religiously, and it works on a lot of stocks. I do have what I was saying. If you stay to the end, I do have a Discord. It is a premium Discord since I spent a lot of time finding these plays, looking up hours of research, finding which plays because there's always a good play, but which is the best play. So in the premium chat, I do charge a small subscription of around $6 a month. It is on Discord, so the payment is processed securely. Once you pay, you can access the premium chat where you can discuss the things with me one on one. We have real time buy alerts and the setup video where you can get exactly what you saw on my chart on your chart. And I have a setup video for TradingView and the one I just used on Webull, and you can just copy it on TOS if you have TOS. But yeah, I took the time, spent a lot of time recording those. But the real-time buy alerts, I'm not going to click on it because it'll show you what I'm looking for at this day. But the real-time buy alerts, I usually post 2 of the best trades in the whole entire market that give you what I just saw with Muln, but even better alerts than that one that give you high probabilities of winning. Of over, after I've been doing this for 6 months, fingers crossed, knock on wood, we have not yet had alert that did not give a good percentage of win. They all were winners because they're, I believe, in fewer trades but bigger probabilities of winning on those trades. So yeah, if you want to join the Discord, I'll put the link into the chat of my YouTube and into the description of my YouTube, and you can you can join the premium Discord with a small fee, and you will not regret it. Cancel anytime if you don't like it, but I'm sure you will like the Discord where we can discuss, meet other like-minded traders where you find reversals, because this strategy is all about reversals of finding the bottom and knowing where the price would go. I know price is going to hit this blue band, and it has religiously hit it consecutively every time because it's impossible it won't. It has always done it. It's just a matter of when it will do it. And the best times it does it, when it hits that green band, it jumps up. And I'm usually looking to sell in between the band, just because if a case comes down, I can double dip and get back in. But yeah, guys, this is ticker Muln. I'm waiting for a buy signal bound below. To me, according to my strategy, yes, it can go way up without me, but I'm playing high probabilities because there's always a ticker that I know that meets this strat. If you guys like to join the free, there's a free chat, but not the free alert ones. There's a premium subscriptions to access for a very small fee. Like I said, I don't think you'll regret it. It's like $6 something. It's just something to pay for my time when I look for these plays, and I also do one-on-one coaching within all that subscription fee. But I think you'll like it. You'll make a lot more returns, if you just don't drink a cup of coffee for one day. Anyways, guys, I'll put the link where you can find my Discord in my YouTube chat and description. I hope to see you guys there. Have a wonderful day.